Today we will show you all of the features our app has to offer, starting with the simple ones up to the more advanced. We will discuss resizing with predefined presets, as well as inputting custom values. Then we will discuss cropping and rotating photos. To summarize, we will show you how to replace the photo or share the images, depending on whether you want to save space on your smartphone or send the images to the cloud, email, etc. Below, you can see what we will show today. Resizing with presets. Resizing with custom values. Cropping and rotating images. Resizing multiple images at once. Replacing images. Sharing images. Feel free to look for the timestamps in the description to skip to any individual part of the video. Part 1. Resizing with predefined presets. In Photo and Picture Resizer, you can use various predefined presets to quickly resize photos to your needs. First, select the image you want to resize. Now tap Resize. Choose the parameters. Let's choose percentage option. And let's pick 40%. As you can see, we have resized the image. You can resize by percentage, resolution and file size, but we can also resize to a particular file size. Tap Resize. Now choose the file size you want from the list. Let's choose 500 kilobytes. As you can see, the app can quickly resize the photo to any predefined size. Part 2. Resizing to any custom value. You can also resize photos to any custom value. For example, custom file sizes of 333 kilobytes or 1080 by 1080 resolution. Let's try it now. Tap Resize. Let's choose a custom file size of 350 kilobytes. As you can see, the app resized the image to exactly 350 kilobytes. Now for something more complex. We will adjust the photo to a custom resolution. Tap Resize. Let's choose Custom Resolution. We will choose 1080 by 1080 pixels. Here's the important part. If you choose the custom resolution, the aspect ratio can be different than the original image. That's why in the next section we will show you how to crop the image so it fits the new aspect ratio. Part 3. Cropping and rotating the image. As we don't want the image to be distorted, we will need to crop it. So tap Crop, adjust the frame, and then tap Crop again. As you can see, the image has been resized to 1080 by 1080 without any problems. You can also crop the images directly to any other aspect ratio. You don't have to start the whole process from resizing to a custom resolution. After you select the image you want to resize, you just need to click Crop instead of Resize. Here you can choose either to crop to a resolution or to an aspect ratio. We will choose aspect ratio and click on 9:16. This is the aspect ratio of the Instagram story. Tap Crop. And that's it. If you want to rotate the image, just click Rotate after you select your image. Oh, there we go! Now you can repeat the process to crop the image. Remember, you can also rotate the resized image. Part 4. Resizing multiple images. This part is really quick. To select more than one image, long press the first photo and then select the others. To resize them, tap Select in the top right-hand corner. Tap Resize. As you can see, all of the selected images were resized with the same preset. And of course you can also resize them to a custom file size, resolution, etc. Part 5. Replacing images. After you've resized the image, it's saved next to the original image. This is to ensure that the original copy of the image remains intact. However, you might want to delete the original, for example, when you are clearing the space on your device. It's simple. You just need to click Replace after you resize the image. But remember that this action is irreversible. The image is going to be saved with the same name as the original, and the previous version will be deleted. It can be useful, however, as you could save a lot of space on your device by simply resizing the images. Part 6. Sharing images. Sometimes you might want to share the images directly from our app. This is a quick and easy step. Just click on the Share button after you have resized your image. First, we will pick the Email app. After clicking on Email, the default Email app will open and resized images will be added as attachments. You can also share photos with text messages or the Google Drive. You just need to click the corresponding icon. And that's it! With 2 clicks, you can export the image wherever you want. As you can see, this app is quite simple to use, but has many useful features. To try it for yourself, follow the link in the description and download the app. That's it! We hope you found useful information in this tutorial. You can also subscribe to our channel or watch the other tutorials we have prepared.